Hello, good morning. Okay, so I'm going to buy a drink here in this vending machine. Oh, my friend is so supportive. At pinautang po niya ako ng pera. Wala akong pera. Dakilang pobre. Okay, so I'm going to buy a drink here in this vending machine. So here in Japan, if you want to buy some drinks and you want to do it like on the road or on the street, so you can buy here. This is very convenient. So all you have to do is to choose what kind of drink you like, and then there is specific price for each. So all you have to do is to look at the price in here and then prepare your coin. So what I want today is this Boss coffee. Oh, my friend is so supportive. My friend is so supportive. So I want to have this, and this is only for 130 yen. At pinautang po niya ako ng pera. Wala akong pera. Dakilang pobre. So first, all you have to do is to insert this coin. Here you can see that there is 500, 100, which means to say you insert your money here. Okay, that's 100, and then that's 50. So then you're good. And press the button, or this one, and voila! Your drink is here. So pull it, whatsoever, and you got your drink. Ta-da! Then, and receipt though? No receipt? Okay.
Change.
Oh yeah! Kasi 150 pesos po yan pala ang pera ko. So I have to get my change here. At babalik ko to kasi ang utang ko, ang utang is utang. So that's how easy it is to buy drinks here. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. Bayad. Ayan po yung nagpautang sa akin.
Wala din pera.
Napaka-supportive niya po. Humawak ng video tapos pinautang pa ako, di ba? So, goodbye guys!